Trends have changed. The new trend shows how people are getting more conscious about their health and preferring organic milk over regular packaged milk. Akshay Kalpa is one of the major producers of organic milk in Bangalore.
I'm Subhashini from Akshay Kalpa. I'm a business development executive working for marketing innovation in Bangalore. Organic milk is not pasteurized or homogenized. It is right from the udder of the cow. It goes to the chiller where the temperature of the milk is maintained at 4 degrees Celsius. Why there is no need for pasteurization is the process of heating the milk to higher temperature. We can also arrest the growth of temperature by maintaining the cold chain of 4 degrees Celsius. In Akshay Kalpa, there are about 100 farms. Each farm is of 5 acres. Each 5-acre farm consists of 25 cows. That is the maximum. 25 cattle has to be there. In that 25 cows, in that 5 acre of land, organic fodders have been grown and the biogas also being produced so that the farmers doesn't depend upon Karnataka Electricity Board for electricity.
Some of the leading organic shops in the city have started supporting the idea of hormone-free milk.
Yes, ours is an organic outlet which we started along with 2 of my other friends 5 years back, before 5 years. So we have introduced lot of organic products into the southern part of Bangalore, including vegetables, fruits, grains, pulses, and natural cosmetics and hair wash powders and lot of things which is genuinely organic and without any adulteration. Milk, we have been selling milk right from the start of our outlet, and there are some farmers who are interested in 2 kinds of organic milk. One is mixed breed of cows, like they have Holstein, Jersey and all other mixed breed of cows, including the Indian breed of cows. And one more kind of people is who prepare milk only of Indian breed cows. So we have been selling both of this past 5 years. But there is, when we started 5 years back, we were selling 5 liters of milk. Today we are selling almost 25-30 liters, but there is still more demand for this. Still, even it's not available in that bulk, but if near to 100 liters is available, there is demand for that. Why people are oriented is mainly 2 things. So there are conventionally the cattle are fed with lot of feeds which are not the natural feeds of the cows. Cattle. There are some, even they mix some kind of bone powder and everything to the cattle feed. So naturally, if you just leave a cattle into the field, it feeds only on grass, leaves, nothing else. So organic prepared milk, they are fed with only grass. They are not fed with anything else. Some people feed grains. Other than that, no other cattle feeds, unnatural cattle feeds are fed to these cows.
Despite of the high cost of Rs 70 per litre for organic milk against Rs 27 per litre for packet milk, a large number of people now prefer organic milk since the health has become their primary concern and this milk has proved to be an answer for many diseases.
Medical miracles like people who are of lactose intolerance, they started consuming this milk, and people who are having dental ache, they are getting recovered. Osteoporosis, that bone disease, it's getting cured. These medical miracles are happening.
The view of people have changed since they are more into organic milk rather than running behind packet milk, which can be seen abundantly in the market.
We buy this milk because it's got good quality. It's better than the packed milk because there's more thickness and more quality to the milk than the packed milk.
This might turn out to be a revolution, and this has already started reinventing people's thoughts and perception about health. This has also made them think and choose between money and health. Hoping the coming generations will follow it up and make it a healthier society.